Back with another new location and another unboxing. This time around, this isn't even mine. We're gonna get a little bit of a guest appearance later on in the episode. This is from the Revenge Trippie Red collaboration, though. This is the, I forget what it was called. Maybe it was like the smoking tea. It's like the Bart tea. Maybe they even called it the Bart tea. I know they had like the Bart shorts and stuff. But with that being said, a little bit of background from the collaboration. This drop was 3 weeks ago. It was obviously a pre-order, being Trippie Red collaboration, like artist merch. It took a while to get here. So, like I said, it took 3 weeks from ordering to arrival, which is pretty good for Revenge, especially being pre-order, because a lot of their stuff, especially back in the day, would take maybe a month, sometimes 2 months. So this definitely isn't that bad. On top of that, I think as far as price goes, it was $38 and then $5 shipping. Like I said, it's my brother's. I didn't get anything from the drop personally. Not a huge Trippie Red fan. I like some of his music, but the majority of it is kind of passable in my opinion. Not to hate on anybody else's, love for the man, but some of the designs were all right, I guess. For the most part, I thought it was kind of mid, and it looked like a lot of people were kind of agreeing or going down that route as well. One design that I did like, one, like if I had to pick one to get, it wouldn't have been this one. It would have actually been the Trippie Arc logo, I think is what they called it, where it was an assortment of just a bunch of different styles or a bunch of different letter spell outs to make up the Arc logo. And then on the back, you had this kind of like mugshot that was torn in half. But I think that was the coolest piece from the collaboration. And that being said, we talked about collaboration a little bit and then talked about shipping. So I think that's everything out of the way. Let me open up my brother's mail. And as far as the location goes, like we've been watching the last couple of videos, I think we haven't had one that's been filmed in the same spot. Got the shirt and nothing else in there. I'm not very surprised that we don't have any stickers. Revenge hasn't been doing stickers for a long time, but this is the tee itself, the Bart one, where we have Trippie Red portrayed as Bart Simpson, and he's smoking. He's got the Trippie Red tattoos, and we'll get this open to show you guys what the rest of that looks like. Of course, Revenge has been doing this for a while. We get the Revenge Arc logo, shipping bag, a little Ziploc. Got the size tag down on the bottom. And then open it up. This is actually a puff print, and I wasn't sure if it was going to be puffed or not. They actually did all 3 colors puffed, so that's pretty cool. I know it probably looks a little bit smaller. My brother's wearing a medium. I usually grab XL, so this is it though. This is the design. Like I said, it's all puff print, which is pretty cool. Given the time of day and the lighting, which is why I keep moving around, you might be able to see the puff print from here, the detailing on it. But if not, I can show you guys a little bit up close. Hopefully it focuses, otherwise it's just all blurred. And that's about it. We got the tag here, sewed in, got the size on the bottom. No NFT tag. A while ago they said they're going to be putting NFT tags in all of their pieces going forward. Or actually, they might have it down on the bottom. Let me check. No, they just have the glitter one, which is just an Arc logo, and the Anarchy A. So it doesn't look like they did the NFT. I don't think it's NFT. I think I'm butchering that. I forget what it's called, but something along those lines, like 3 letters. Not too much to explain about the actual design itself, though. Got some Trippie Red tattoos mimicked on Bart. It's just a comparison between that. As far as the blanks go, feels like the last blank that I bought from them feels like the same blank still. The last one that I got from them was the Kurt Cobain, the Mickey Cobain design, which I thought was pretty decent. But yeah, with that out of the way, let me pull in my brother. He'll try it on, let you guys know what the fit is like, quality, things like that, sizing. And yeah, we'll go grab him and be right back.
Yo, okay.
All right, get over here. Get over here. You can sit down in here.
Sit down.
I'll cover that. Whoa. It's rolling.
All right.
Talk about the sizing.
Sizing is tight,
quality.
man. It's like, I have, let me see. Let me get my other shirt.
Bring this guy on for like 10 seconds and it's already off the rails.
All right, let's see. I'm trying to find the size tag on this
All
one.
right, get back in here.
I don't know if I have the size tag on this one, but I'm pretty sure this is a medium.
I believe
Right.
on these they might have done it down below. I forget though.
Is it a medium?
Oh no, wait.
It's a large. Oh,
Someplace
I'm dumb.
USA. Oh yeah, it is a large.
It's a large. Oh well, so this one's a large.
Also, that's a
And the
completely
fitting
different
on
blank.
this. I know. I miss these blanks, dude.
Did you think that's what it was gonna be?
No, I didn't think so, but I figured it'd be a similar fit. You know, but this one is I don't know. It's like not a bad shirt. I love that it's puff. That was a nice surprise. I actually like the red. I like the colors. The graphic is a lot bigger than I thought it would be.
Yeah, that is a big graphic. How do you feel about quality?
Quality? Let me look in the mirror too. I haven't looked in the mirror much. Actually, you know, the sizing's fine. The sleeves are short. I don't know how I feel about the shortness of the sleeves on this blank. Also, they're like angled. You see
I mean, well, that's because of the size. You probably should have sized up. All right, final closing words.
that? No, this is good, dude. I like this.
Let's face the camera. Sit back down.
The graphic's way bigger than I thought it would be. For some reason, I thought the graphic would be like, I don't know, like half the size. But I don't know. It's cool. I don't have any orange tees. It's Halloween season, so can't complain.
Spooky season.
Spooky season. Woo.
Are you a big Trippie Red fan?
I like the new album. I like Trip at Night, but I had not liked a lot of Trippie Red solo stuff before
Name
that. So.
3 Trippie Red songs.
The one with Drake, the one with X, the one with Juice WRLD.